Hello traders, you are welcome to my video on the Zero Lag Stochastic Indicator. It is actually a faster and more accurate version of the classic stochastic oscillator. So you might want to consider, trying it out. If you've ever struggled with delayed trade signals, then this indicator might actually be a good option for you to try out. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more powerful trading strategies. Okay, now let us jump right in. I am going to add the indicator to the chart right away, the zero lag stochastic indicator. All right, here we go. Okay. All right, now the zero lag stochastic is an improved version of the traditional stochastic oscillator, and it is designed to eliminate lagging signals. Okay, it's designed to eliminate lagging signals and provide real-time market insights, right? So unlike standard stochastic indicators that sometimes react too slowly, this tool offers quicker responses to price movements, helping traders identify potential trend reversals, overbought and oversold levels, and entry and exit points. All right. Now, as you can see, the indicator does not have a fixed minimum or a fixed maximum value, although you can actually edit that. If you want to have a fixed minimum or fixed maximum, you can actually edit that. So you will notice that the indicator actually oscillates, within, dynamic zones. It oscillates between dynamic levels. The levels are not fixed exactly. Oscillates between, even you can even see it even gets into negative territory if the overbought level is, if the bearish momentum is so extreme. You can see there is actually a negative level, and then we have positive levels reaching over 500, right? So probably just showing the extremity of the overbought or oversold condition. All right, now because of its improved speed, this indicator works across all time frames and all currency pairs. The indicator works across all currency pairs, whether you trade majors, minors, or exotic pairs. Okay, now this indicator is a go-to tool for traders looking to catch market reversals. Okay, so let's just go over how to use it properly. Right now, let me show you how to add levels to the chart, because you can see that there are no levels attached. So you can actually have a zero level. You can have perhaps a 20 level, and then you can probably have a 400 level. Okay, let's just see how this looks. Okay, we can make the level for, can make this 50. Considering the wide expanse, you can see that 50 is still even kind of, it looks like before you get a 50, it's proper extremely oversold. Okay, so depending on how extreme you want the levels to be, I guess we can actually up this to about 100, depending on how extreme you want the levels to be, because it seems like, the indicator was not, designed to use those extreme levels of 20 or 80, 20 for oversold, 80 for overbought. Happens that that was not how the indicator was designed. All right. Okay. So basically, as you can see, you can fix your levels by yourself. All right, fix your levels by yourself to help you make it easier for you to identify overbought and oversold conditions. Just fix your level by yourself. You can use 100 for oversold and 400 for overbought. Okay, so basically, when you have the indicator enter the overbought condition and then you have the green line cross below the red, it's a sell signal. So in that case, you should be looking for sell opportunities, looking for, bearish candlestick patterns or any form of sell confirmation pattern. Okay. Then once you've gotten your confirmation, you can enter your sell trade, set your stop loss above the previous swing high, and you can target resistance zones, support zones. You can target support zones for your take profit, or um you can watch out for when the indicator enters the oversold territory. All right, and then you have a bullish crossover, after which you can exit your sell trade. Then for a buy trade, all you have to do is wait for the indicator to drop into the oversold territory, and then you watch out for a bullish crossover. The green line should cross above the red. That's a sign to enter a buy trade. Ensure you get confirmations first. Perhaps you watch out for bullish candlestick patterns. After that, you enter your buy, set your stop loss below the previous swing low, and you can target resistance zones for your take profit, or you can wait for the indicator to enter overbought territory, and when you get a bearish crossover, you can exit your buy trade. So it's very easy. Okay, it's very easy. However, not every overbought or oversold signal should be traded blindly. Okay, to increase accuracy, it's important to combine this indicator with support and resistance zones. I always emphasize on identifying your zones on your charts. Support and resistance zones, they play very, very important roles. Okay, so whenever you have a buy signal around a support, you will notice that adds more validity to that signal. And when you have a sell signal around the resistance, it adds more validity to that signal as well. Okay. Also, confirm combine this indicator with trend confirmations. Okay, you can actually use moving averages, or you can use any other indicator of your choice, other technical indicators to confirm the signals given to you by the zero lag stochastic. All right, and also pay attention to price action patterns. It's very important. Okay, the zero lag stochastic is versatile and works across different trading styles. Scalpers can use it on maybe 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute charts to catch quick reversals. Day traders can use it on maybe the 30 minutes or 1 hour chart for intraday setups. Then swing traders can probably use it on the 4 hours or the daily charts to spot major reversals. Okay, it's actually useful in both trending and ranging markets, but traders need to be cautious when markets are highly volatile. Okay, so the zero lag stochastic indicator is actually a nice tool for traders who need faster, more accurate overbought and oversold signals. Okay, it eliminates lag, at least to an extent, making it a powerful asset for scalping, day trading and swing trading. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you've used the zero lag stochastic in your trading. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.